Why? I was working outside. I was working and I found something. Do you want to see what I found? Yeah? Oh, it's pretty cool. Let me see if I can turn it around. I don't know, but let me see. Okay, you ready? You ready? Do you see that? It's a bird nest. Soon, eggs will be in it. Shh. It's so cool. Or maybe it was last year. I don't really know. But it's so cool. You want to see it again? Wow. I see more bird nests in the trees. Soon, I will show them to you. Okay?